Hello everyone, my name is Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about investment multiplier with the derivation of formula and a numerical. As we know, when investment increase, income also increase, and increase in income is many more time higher as compared to increase in investment. How many time income increase, or you can say that how many time income change due to change in investment will be called investment multiplier. How many time income change due to change in investment will be called investment multiplier. For example, change in investment is 100. Due to this change in investment, change in income is 500. 500 over 100 is equal to 5. This 5 will be called value of investment multiplier. So we can say that how many time income change due to change in investment will be called investment multiplier. Now we'll see derivation of investment multiplier. As we know, national income equal to consumption plus investment, and consumption equal to A plus B Y. Y income, B margin of propensity to consume, A autonomous consumption. Now we will apply change on these two equations. Delta represent a change. After applying change on this equation, our equation will look like this. And after applying change on this equation, our equation will look like this. We will not apply change on A because A is autonomous consumption and autonomous consumption remain constant. That's why delta A is equal to 0. So after applying change on this equation, our equation will look like this. Now in place of delta C, we will write B into delta Y. After writing B into delta Y in place of delta C, our equation will look like this. This will come in this side and we will take delta y common. Now our equation will look like this. Delta I will come below. As we know, investment multiplier, or you can say that K equal to delta y over delta I, because K, or you can say that investment multiplier shows how many time income change due to change in investment. So in place of delta y over delta I, we will write K. And this is our final formula, K equal to 1 over 1 minus B. Here B is a margin of propensity to consume. Working of investment multiplier. Periods: change in investment, change in income, change in consumption, change in saving. Here we assume margin of propensity to consume equal to 0.5. That means 50% we consume and 50% we save. Initially, in first period, change in investment 100, change in income 100. 50% we consume, 50% we save. In next period, this consumption will become income of someone else. Again, 50% consume, 50% save. In next period, this consumption will become income of someone else. 50% consume, 50% save. In next period, this consumption will become income of someone else. Again, 50% consume and 50% save. This process will remain continuous, and total change in income is 200 due to change in this investment. And from this 200 income, 50% we consume and 50% we save. How can we know this 100 investment lead to 200 total change in income? With the help of this formula which we have already derived, here B is a margin of propensity to consume. Here we assume margin of propensity to consume is 0.5. So in place of B, we will put 0.5 and solve. It will become equal to 2. 2 is value of investment multiplier. As we know, investment multiplier says how many time income increase due to increase in investment. And value of investment multiplier is 2. That means increase in income is 2 times higher than as compared to investment. So we can say the 100 investment lead to 200 change in income. That's why value of investment multiplier is 2. Now we'll see one question. Consumption function and investment is given. Consumption function equal to 100 plus 0.75 y, and the investment is 500. We have to find out investment multiplier and equilibrium level of income. As we know, consumption function equal to A plus BY. Here A is 100, autonomous consumption 100, and B is 0.75, means our marginal propensity to consume is 0.75. This is formula to calculate investment multiplier. B is the marginal propensity to consume. So in place of B, we will put 0.75. When we solve, it will become equal to this, and K is equal to 4. Investment multiplier is 4. Now we will find equilibrium level of income. Income equal to C plus I. C is equal to this one. So in place of C, we will put this. And investment is 500. So in place of I, we will put 500. When we solve, this will come in this side and minus 0.25 y, and 0.25 y will come below, and when we solve, it will become equal to 2400. So equilibrium level of income is 2400 and investment multiplier is 4. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.